Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today we are starting with new chapter of class 11th economics, that is concept of cost. In this chapter we will going to learn concept of cost, short run cost of production, fixed and variable cost, behavior of fixed cost, variable cost and total cost, average cost, fixed and variable component of average cost, marginal cost, estimation and behavior of marginal cost, relationship between average, marginal and total cost. But first of all, we want to study about the concept of cost. What is cost? Basically, output needs input. Broadly, there are two types of inputs, factor inputs and non-factor inputs. Factor inputs consist of land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. These four things are known as factors of production, whereas non-factor inputs are raw material. So we can say cost refers to the expenditure incurred by a producer on the factor as well as non-factor inputs for output of a commodity. Now there are various types of cost which I have mentioned in my whiteboard, and we will going to discuss them one by one. So starting with explicit cost. So students, explicit cost, it is the opportunity cost of purchasing an input from the market. It is measured in terms of cash payment and data from makes to other for the purchase of inputs. The best example for explicit cost is wages paid to the worker, payment of electricity bill and lots more. On the other hand, now we are going to study implicit cost. So what is implicit cost? It is the opportunity cost of using self-owned inputs. It is measured in terms of imputed cost or estimated cost of the self-owned and self-employed resources. For example, estimated rent on entrepreneur's own building, estimated interest on entrepreneur's own capital and lots more. So if we combine explicit cost plus implicit cost, we can easily obtain the total cost for producing that article. I again repeat, total cost is the combination of explicit cost plus implicit cost. Now the third is selling cost. As the name is depicting, selling costs are different from production cost. Selling cost or cost refers to the expenditure incurred by the producer to promote the sale of the commodity. Suppose producer is spending some money on advertising, marketing, sales promotion and personal selling. So the expenditure which he or she is incurring in the promotion of that commodity, it is known as selling expenses, selling cost. And nowadays it is much more important because today's there is cutthroat competition in the market. So the producer who incurred more selling cost will survive and will capture the entire market. Now the last point which we are going to discuss is production cost. As the name depicts, production cost or manufacturing cost refers to the expenditure incurred by any producer explicitly or implicitly on the input for producing a given level of output. In this chapter, we will also focusing on production cost. So the production cost, we can say that it is explicitly or implicitly on the inputs. This means we combine all the factors of production which supports the manufacturing of that particular goods. Now the last cost is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost refers to the total sacrifice made in terms of explicit or implicit cost for producing a given level of output. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.